हाँ यस काव्या जी, आपका स्वागत है हमारे चैनल के ऊपर। तो इस मीटिंग के अंदर काव्या जी हैं और साथ में हमारी मैनेजर ज्योति हैं। तो काव्या जी, पहले ये बताइए, आप हमारा रेफरेंस कहाँ से मिला आपको?
I have seen in social media.
ओके, कैन यू टेल मी इन विच लैंग्वेज यू आर कंफर्टेबल, आइदर हिंदी और इंग्लिश और व्हाट?
I can understand Hindi, but I couldn't talk Hindi properly.
ओके
Basically, I'm a South Indian.
ओके ओके, देयर इज नो एनी प्रॉब्लम, वी कैन डिस्कस इन इंग्लिश, नॉट ए प्रॉब्लम.
Yeah,
And
sure.
can you tell me how many days you are following us on the this social media? You first time visited on our YouTube
I
channel
think,
or?
no, it's been a couple of months.
Okay, 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 okay. No, you will firstly give me your introductions about from where you are and your educations and which percentage and which country you are looking. Then I can suggest you which options we have.
Okay, I'm Kavya,
Okay,
and I have completed my BSc in Life Science,
okay.
and with 73 percentage.
Mm-hmm.
And do I need to mention my MSc also?
Message, yes, I need it.
Yeah, I have done MSc in bioinformatics,
Okay,
and I'm 2021 passed out.
okay,
And for the first 2 semesters, I got a 76 percentage, and
okay.
I'm waiting for the next 2 semesters.
Okay, but what will be the expected score? Can you tell me about?
Uh, Definitely, it would be not less than 75.
Okay, very good. And you did any type of English proficiency about any or TOEFL, IELTS?
No.
Okay, you're not. And which country you are looking?
Most probably, I prefer Europe countries, but my most I vote for Germany.
Okay, only
Because
German. Okay, as per your
not
profile.
only Germany.
Okay,
Yeah.
as per your profile, all the countries will give the red carpet welcome. They will give easily admissions in any of the university in any of the country, whatsoever you
Okay.
shared with me. And we have a more
Okay.
than 100 countries options. But you are looking for
Okay.
Germany, so we can discuss about
Yeah.
Germany.
Yeah.
We will discuss about
But
Germany. Yes, yes, tell me.
yeah, sure. I see Germany as a financially fit for me because I can't afford much money, right? That's why.
No, no, no. We will
Okay.
only discuss about the free studies options for you.
Okay.
Since you are looking for like budget country or looking economicals, that reason we will discuss only that countries. But know about the
Okay.
blogged account. You have some
Sorry.
idea about the blogged account?
Blocked account. No.
No. Jyoti is with us. She will tell us कि blocked account क्या रहता है, वो हमें बताएगी कि कौन सी कंट्री के लिए यूज होगा, इसका क्या रीजंस रहता है, उसके अंदर हमें कितने पैसे दिखाने पड़ते
Okay.
हैं। ज्योति जी बताइए, ये ब्लॉग्ड अकाउंट के बारे में जो जर्मनी में रिक्वायरमेंट रहती है, इसके अंदर हम कितने पैसे दिखाते हैं और किस पर्पस के लिए ये ब्लॉग्ड अकाउंट है?
It is for living cost, and we have to show 10,400 euro minimum in this.
आवाज नहीं आ रही अच्छी तरह, थोड़ा लोड. यस टेल मी.
It is for living cost.
Okay.
In Germany.
Okay.
And
so,
we have to show in this 10,400 euro minimum.
Okay, whether this money she need to bring with her there or she can only use in India?
No, it is a block account. It is in India, but she will use in Germany. When she reaches there, then she will get monthly payment in this.
Okay.
For living cost.
तो ऐसे है Kavya, I will explain you the things. The German government is saying कि if international student will come in their country, there is no any problem. They are provided study totally free of cost. But student will bring his or her living expenses with them.
Yeah.
Yes. It is a living expenses.
I'm aware of it.
Yes. You need to open a blocked account of approx 10,500 euro. But you can only withdraw this money when you will reach in Germany. Okay, and the amount of withdrawal per month of approx 8 to 900 euro you can withdraw from that account per month. Okay.
Okay.
And and your entire study will be totally free of cost in Germany in many of the public universities. And I will share some programs where we can help you for admissions. The things, there is a lot of competition. There is a lot of competition where the things are free. So we are suggesting that if you will do the IELTS, that will be very beneficial for your profile. And take a minimum 6.5, since there is a lot of competition and they are giving the priority to those profile having with the IELTS. Firstly, they are giving the priority to them. Even thereafter, they will see, after that, they will see about your experience. If you have the experience, they are also giving the priority. And another thing, they will also count if you have a extra qualifications, like if you already did the master in India, even that you want to do the master in India, they are giving the priority to your profile also. This is also plus point in your profile. Yes.
Okay.
It means there is no need to hide any qualification whatsoever you gained from any country while we are putting your application in Germany. Okay. So as per my experience, you can get the admissions without any problem in public universities. I can tell the programs, even you can get the admission in biotechnology. Even we have the public, we have the public health, even neurosciences. We have digital health, MSc in digital health. We can organize the experience. Moleculars, MSc in moleculars, we can organize your admissions there. Even nutrition and biomedicines.
Yeah.
These type of programs we can organize, help you in Germany. Even if you looking for any specific program, please tell me.
I'm looking, like cell biology,
Yes,
biotechnology.
Biotechnology, there is no any problem that we can do. I told you that is not a problem.
Yeah, microbiology.
Yes, that is possible there. Microbiology, we can do the admissions there. And any another questions, if you want to ask about specifically Germany, we can explain you.
Any another questions? Will they afford accommodation also?
Yes.
If I get through.
Yes. What we will provide you the services whenever you will register with our company, we will assess you for your admissions, for your visa. Hold it, एक फोन आ रहा है बार-बार लाठी करके, उन फोन करी के आ जाओ, ऑफिस ही है, बात नहीं बेटा. About your admissions in public universities, about visa assistance for opening the blocked account, post-landing services like that, we can provide the accommodation help there either in the university campus or private. That type of help we can do, but we are not giving any type of guarantee about the jobs there. We can assist for jobs there, yes. But we can provide a government portals where there is lot of jobs you can apply in that portals, either part-time or full-time. That we can do. Anything else?
Yeah, nothing.
No, Kavya, I will tell you, she is the Jyoti. If you want further any information about any country, you can coordinate with her. She can assist you whatsoever you have the query. So now we can close this meeting. And lastly, thanks to everyone. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.